Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba? Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. Some might argue that the UAAP and NCAA are the only paths to volleyball stardom in the Philippines. However, Cherry Nunag's journey proves that success in the sport is less about the route one takes and more about the dedication and hard work put in to achieve the seemingly impossible. Born and raised in Florida Blanca, Pampanga, Nunag's volleyball career began at De La Salle University das Marinas. She then navigated a challenging path that led her to the now-defunct Philippine Superliga, PSL, in 2015. The 5'9" middle blocker played for champion PSL teams Petron and F2 Logistics before moving to the Premier Volleyball League PVL with Petrogas and Perlas Pilipinas. She found a long-term home with Choco Mucho, contributing to their 2 consecutive silver medal finishes against Streamline in the PVL All-Filipino Conference. Nunag's ascent to the national team, Alas Pilipinas, is not only unique but historic. She was part of the first ever Philippine team to reach the semifinals of an Asian Volleyball Confederation, AVC, sanctioned tournament in the National Federation's 63-year history. This achievement also coincided with the Philippines rising to number 57 in the FIVB World Rankings, number 9 in Asia. For Nunag, these past few days have been special and overwhelming. Hindi siya madali noong na hindi ka naging part ng NCAA and UAAP. Hindi madaling bumuo ng pangalan, said Nunag. Yung ibang tao nagugulat pa kung saan galing itong tao na to, so for me, happy ako sa lahat ng pinagdaanan ko mula umpisa, step by step at kung saan papupunta yung journey at yung career ko. Such historic feats for flag and country were once distant dreams for the Philippine volleyball community. Ito naman talaga yung pinakahihintay namin sa volleyball community na makapasok yung national team ng Philippines sa semis kasi ito pa nga yung hindi natin nagagawa. Nunag added, it's a big privilege na maging part ng national team lalo na itong batch na ito kasi sobrang ganda ng performance and yung gustong ilabas ng mga bata nakakatuwa, nakaka-inspire, nakaka-proud sila. Always ready for the call of duty. Nunag Saturday out the first 2 pool play matches against Australia and India before starting and contributing 4 points in the semis clinching win over Iran. Experiencing her first taste of national team action, Nunag is optimistic about the future and eager to seize every opportunity to help the Philippines break new ground internationally. Medyo kulang pa at ang dami ko pa rin gustong ilabas pero super thankful ako sa binibigay sa akin na opportunity ni Coach George Suze de Brito na makapaglaro noong nakailangan ready ako palagi sa second 6 kasi mabilis lang yung tournament. Everyday kaming naglalaro so kailangan always prepared ka pa rin anytime na kunin ka niya sa labas. Kahit hindi ka first 6 or ikaw yung unahin niya, it's okay pero ang goal ko ay mailabas ko yung laro ko every time na ipapasok niya ako, kailangan may makontribute ako sa game, said Nunag. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ang isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito. Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless.